Hello people, welcome back to my channel Shake Rides. In today's video, we're going to talk about Yamaha's new launched R15 version 4. In this video, we're going to talk about the launch details, specification, colors and prices, and what are the exact changes in this new version. So we have three versions, I believe. That's R1 V4, R15 V4, we have R15M, that's MotoGP, and then we also have R11, R15 Monster. So let's see what are the changes are in this video. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Let's see what the video is all about. I thank Bangalore Wheels in Rajajinagar for allowing me to do a walk around video of Yamaha R15 version 4. It's in Rajajinagar. The bike is available there for test ride. If you stay nearby, do come here and do a test ride and find out yourself about this bike. To start with, the first thing you can find out the difference is the upside down forks. These are the 41mm upside down forks which have been updated here, and the other changes you can see is this has been highly inspired from the R7. This look, everything. What I believe is it has been perfected from update to update. Like R15 was okay, R15 V2 was better, R15 V3 was good. I think this is an excellent update now because it has completed now in terms of all the updates. Like we have upside down forks, it gets street mode and the race mode, then have traction control, quick shifter, quick shifter, and you have slipper and assist clutch in this as standard. You get the same features in R15M and also in the Monster. So those are the changes. The price varies, I'll come to that later part. But if you can see, this has been looks so beautiful. So quickly take to the specifications. Nothing much has changed. Everything remains same apart from this LED setup. And now it gets this kind of design. The tires are from MRF, the same tires. It gets 100 by 80 17-inch wheels. So that's your 282mm disc brake at the front, and those are the upside down forks 45mm. You still get this halogen LED, halogen indicators, not the LED ones. That's a little bit let down, and it kind of looks odd. But anyway, still they've done it to reduce the price. And coming at the back, this is a 140 section 7-inch wheel at the back. It's an upshift exhaust. Even the LCD instrument cluster has been changed. I mean, currently it's very new, that's why they have no connection given to it. But that's one new thing. I'll make a different video for it once I get the bike for ride. As of now, this is just a walk around video. And coming to the engine remains same. It's a 155 cc. It's a liquid cooled, 4 valves. It generates 18 bhp of power at 10,000 rpm, and it generates 14 Nm of torque at 7,500 rpm, I believe. So mechanical wise, nothing much has changed. It's still refined engine. I mean, R15 version 3 is a big hit already, and by updating this upside down forks and with the traction control modes, and I mean, it really has up the ante now. So I mean, in 155cc segment or in 200cc segment, this sportier look bike, I think no other company has come so close to what Yamaha has done in this. Talking about colors, you already get this blue color. In layman terms, blue color. You get black color. You get red color. I think red is available. I'll show you. So here it is. This looks more appealing, looks very beefy and imposing on the road. Look at the front design. It really attracts. It's a definitely a head turner outside. So this is the red color. So you get another color, black color. The prices vary accordingly as per the colors. But this has really impressed me. It tempts me to take one. So coming to the prices, the black and the red comes around 1.67 and 1.68 ex showroom price, and on road price of those will be around 2,17,000 and 18,000 respectively. And this blues, this particular blue color one will cost you around the ex showroom price is 1.73. The on road price is somewhere here. It's mentioned here 2,22,451 rupees to be precise. The M1 will have 2,000 rupees more, and the Monster one is around 1,80,000 rupees. Is ex showroom price, and the on road price varies from 2,32,000 rupees is for the Monster one. So that's about the colors and the features, technical specifications, guys. So that was the walk around video, guys. That was the specifications. Those were the updates. Yamaha has really upped the ante now. I mean, no other bike comes this close to the updates what it provides. I mean, come on, traction control, slipper assist clutch. You have modes. You then have quick shifter, up quick shifter in this 155cc bike. So, and the price is, I think, 10,000 rupees in a bump in the actual price compared to its outgoing models. I believe it's still worth, because you're getting upside down forks. It improves a lot of stability and maneuverability in the city, and also gives a lot of confidence when you do a braking. That's one big plus there. And traction control, I mean, you can question, I mean, what is needed in 155cc? Why do you need traction control? It definitely going to help you one day, because there are chances that your back wheel is going to spin one day. So that's going to control that. And then you have quick shifter, without gears, so you can upshift easily. I mean, without clutches, you can upshift easily. And you have slipper assist clutch. So if you see the features, I think the 10,000 rupees bump, it's very worth, and they're justified. I mean, more than justified. Now, Honda will definitely up the ante considering this, and I believe Honda would be shocked, because the 155cc segment, they have all these features. Their expression would be,
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी। ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो मारो मुझे, मारो मारो। नहीं, ये मजाक हो रहा है, एक सेकंड यार, मजाक हो रहा है।
you should see this expression. And so once I get this bike, I'll do a test ride. Till then, this is Sheikh. I'm signing off. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell for the latest updates. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.